Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your post on Facebook from public, aka limiting past posts. So if you don't want random strangers to be seeing your post, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Facebook app, navigate to your settings, scroll down and click on posts. You're going to see an option that says limit who can see past posts. Click on view. If you choose to limit your past posts, posts on your timeline that you have shared with friends or friends and public posts will now be shared only with friends. Anyone tagged in this post and their friends may also still see the post. If you want to change who can see a specific post, you can go to that post and choose a different audience. So what limits past posts does is anybody that's not a friend is not going to see most of the content on your timeline. So click on limit past posts. I'm going to show you an example of someone that did it so that you see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like if someone limits past posts on Facebook. You won't see any posts in their timeline unless you add them as friend and they accept. So that's how you hide posts from public on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.